So good morning everyone. We are in Osaka. We're going to have a breakfast. So we have to walk a couple of minutes, so I will show you how the streets looks like in Osaka. Apart from the main roads and main streets is normal random street. So this is Osaka street. As you can see, this is the normal daily life in Osaka. It's very clean, and everywhere where is possible I see flowers, people taking care about the environment. That's why it's nice in Japan. It looks crowded but is organized. So we're going to have a breakfast because the hotel where we are at the moment here in Osaka, they provide breakfast, but the breakfast is basically they give you sweets, and I don't really want to eat sweets. Pastries, sweet ones, but I don't really want to eat sweets in the morning. Look at the buildings, so that's why we choose to find a place where we can have breakfast. So we are looking for another coffee shop. As you can see, these are the buildings. Streets are very clean, very clean. No complaint. So let's cross the street. This is a normal day in Japan, in Osaka. Cross again. I think so. It looks like we have to cross the main road, so we have to come here. It looks like a station or something, I don't know, but we will find out. So I cannot recommend the hotel where we are because of the breakfast, only because of the breakfast. And the other let me check where is this side. And the other reason is the pillow. They give you a small pillow, which is not good for me. So this hotel is not recommended by me. Otherwise the hotel is amazing. It looks nice, clean, new. Cannot complain about anything else. But the breakfast and the pillow, 0 stars. 0 stars. So it is what it is. Now we're going to have another breakfast in another place. Let's see. I cannot tell you where we are at the moment because I don't know where we are. I'm just walking randomly and I shoot what I see. So we're coming here. Okay guys, thank you so much. Have a good morning, a good breakfast. Let me see if we can find something here. Probably yes. So Have a good day. Bye bye. And give me a good like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.